Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 1 Twin Edition camera, and I'm going to show you how we can input the SD card to this device. So at the first we have to rotate our device, and we have to just pull it back, and then it just opens automatically. Right now we have to take it off, and there is the SD card slot. So here we have to input our card, and we have to input it like that, in this position. So put it and then press it with your nail, and right now when you want to put it back, you have to get this one right here, and then we have to press it a little bit, and as you can see, our SD card is here, and there we got the remaining time of the record. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.